I'm gonna get in trouble for cussing.
I got a beeper.
Dude.
Beep, 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 beep. What are we at here?
Wasatch Diesel.
We're at Wasatch Diesel Performance. I'm here with Hoke and Hoke's Builds and Preston. What's your Instagram handle, Preston?
Preston85.
We're working on this super sweet Jetta TDI wagon. Preston drives around. We're doing these little control arms right here. These guys. And the dreaded. We have the ECS shield on here. We're doing some sway bar bushings.
Oh, we gotta go in there?
Yeah.
You bastard. You lied.
Yeah, we have to drop. We have to drop the subframe.
Thank God we got a lift.
Anyway, we're out here. We get to hang out with the lift, and it's pretty good.
Oysters. All right, everybody, going back up.
Yay! We're replacing the control pack?
No,
Just the controller?
just the controller.
Sweet!
Just the
That's the
controller.
worst part! That's
And-
easy.
And the sway bar bushings that are.
Just some gloves.
If I touch anything,
Get you some gloves.
so it's like
okay, we need
a bunch of torque.
16, we need some torques.
Attached to nothing.
That's good.
It must have popped out when I apparently hit something right here.
Sweet. This isn't
T25.
attached to anything. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, these might be smaller. They're pretty small.
It might be, but I'm gonna guess
These ones over here. I guess we don't have to pull.
You're gonna have to pull all of them because
Here, this one's just loose right here. I'll get this one right here.
sweet. There you go.
Ooh.
Nice. We don't want to lose those.
I found it. I got it. It's this size.
That size?
This one was almost falling out, so
Well, I got the Duralast parts.
they're built to last.
Duralast tools.
They're,
T25.
the Duralast.
Boom! Nailed it. Called it.
Is that for the little ones? There's bigger ones though.
You.
There's the Duralast tools are made by the same company that makes Blue Point. So
Okay.
yeah,
I didn't know that.
they also make Cobalt tools.
Is it just different tiers and the quality control that goes through with them?
No, so Cobalt, Blue Point, and Duralast are all like the same quality, and then obviously Snap-on is over Blue Point, but they're different. It's a different facility that makes those. Don't take this one out. Or this one out. They're not attached.
There's only one that's probably holding it in.
Nothing.
Yeah, I know. It leaked into it. It still hurt. I'd still be angry.
There's a sliding path.
Oh, okay. It's just
Hey, look, there's the spacer.
this part. That's important.
Where did that come from? Hey, Presto. You found any more parts?
That looks like a bearing.
Looks like they did your axles here like not too long ago, right?
They did this one because I broke it.
Maybe that was the
Well,
other
maybe.
Oh, you know what? That's probably it.
Let's
That's
see
probably
here.
part of the old one.
That's gonna be 17.
I'm gonna get in trouble for cussing.
15s. I got a beeper.
Dude,
Beep, beep, beep.
is it automatic? Because there's gonna be a lot of those.
No, it just records raw, but I guess I'll have to just live through editing.
Silver. Got them silver impacts.
Want to get edges? Those are they're lifetime warranty.
Yeah, I know. But they're lifetime warranty. Just send it.
That's what I said.
You know what the problem is I've got to keep the set together long enough to get the lifetime warranty.
There you go. You can take it.
No, you can't. You really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just
I
take
didn't know
one
that.
off the shelf.
We were doing a lot of advertising for their AutoZone. My question with this is if we pull the string out, it's gonna hit this, isn't it? Yep, yeah.
Should have dropped.
You have a stand, so let's put a stand under the motor right here, and we'll pull that out.
Well, what we're talking about? What are you doing, Brandon? So what is that?
So this lower this lower cross member bolts in 4 locations here, then 2 locations, one on this side and one on that side,
Okay.
to triangulate everything. So
we
gotta
need
pull
an
that
extension.
gotta go through the hole. Right through the hole.
All right, let's get an extension. Get up and in there. Size doesn't look like this.
Probably the same thing.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, it's starting to droop.
Hello.
It doesn't need to come out.
So what we're having issues with right now, don't mind the dirty shop, is this is a clamp-on style, and we got to get it apart. Hold this.
That's one way to do it.
That's so talented.
Let me see part of that and just like shatter that bushing.
Easier to put on. Grease will help. Some lube
Right in the hole.
right in this hole.
Okay. Probably not these greases.
Nope. some quality
Like grease. I really want to get rid of this stupid cost.
You can.
I can't. I know. It's just, like $2,000 for the exhaust system.
Huh.
Not to mention that you have to get tunes. Like you have to get a DSG tune, and you have to get the tune to make it so that it actually does its job and keeps the check engine light off, because it gets rid of all of the things.
All the things.
But it boosts like the miles per gallon like 30%.
Sweet.
So it's good.
Yeah, no complaints.
Very slippery. You need the bottom.
Yeah, I'm gonna slide in there after. But it goes like this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, these will go forward. So. Hey, you should probably slide those on after maybe too.
Slide it on. Perfect.
We're in.
We're in.
We're in.
All right, so for anybody following along at home, what we did is, so since we couldn't get these in to sit right as we had it, there was this little lip on the outside. I took and shaved that down, ground it down. There's no more than maybe an 1/8 inch, but it might give us enough room to get both of these on the clearance that we need.
you buy these off eBay? Lie to me. I don't think I got started. That's the problem.
Yeah, this thing barely fits in here. I mean, like the tolerance is so tight. Like 30 pounds is the torque.
Yeah, they're usually not too crazy on them.
Well, now let's roll doggy doggies, boys. All right. All right, so we'll get this on and then this side control arm in.
Yep.
Oh, hold on. Oh, grease goes a long way.
Yes.
You got something that you can't run that one? No. Do you want? That'd be helpful. Okay. Alright, we're gonna get those bolts.
Yep.
Tangent.
Nice. Wait. Oh, get this done again.
I like the knees are in it. But extremely ladylike.
Anything else? That's it.
Dog bone.
So I got stuck in some snow / ice, and I went back at it. My friend was pushing on the front of my car, and he goes, "Grr, grr, 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 grr." And I was like, I just broke something. And then my brother pulled me off of it, and I was like, oh, cool, it still kind of rolls. So I roll, and then Penny, yeah, but and it rolls, so it's like, sweet, it rolls, so I think I'll be good, and I simulate hitting any pressure whatsoever.
Look, you've got an arrow on your car.
More like protection.
Yeah, it's protecting my,
Get the little arrow flap out.
There we go.
Oh, you're so talented.
thanks, man. I didn't bother you with it this time. There, grab it.
You're lower to it, I am.
Thank you. Bastard. Can you untuck my rubbers? Can you untuck the rubber? Thanks. Appreciate it.
We can't see. We got sway bar bushings replaced. This lower control arms. Those are pretty sweet. On both sides, new OEM, and everything's good in here. Got the new skid plate on. We're good. There she goes. It's the last time you'll see it in that shape.
Right.